This is me, Akid Dhawan. Today, I'm going to talk about some countries. Okay, countries, national animal. So, let's go for our video, yeah. And first, we have, do you know what is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? It is camel. It is camel. Camel. And it lives in the desert, okay? And it can live there. We cannot live there, but they can live there. Allah is so powerful, you know. And then we have what is the national animal of Bangladesh. It is the easiest question in the world, okay? And it will be Royal Bengal Tiger. Royal Bengal Tiger. And do you know, I made a country named Tau, and I gave the national animal of this. It will be, it can be mice. No. It can be my favorite one is panda. Okay, panda. It will be the national animal of my country, Tau. It will be panda. You'll remember it. I'll ask you tomorrow. And I have a question for you. Do you know what is the national animal of Kuwait? Yeah. If you know, then comment. And if you don't know, then I can tell you. It will be a rex. A rex. A rex. And the national animal of Kuwait is oryx. 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 Okay. And that is all about my topic. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. I'll be back with a fantastic presentation, inshallah. Till then, bye-bye.